you want to go outside? Do you want to go outside? Do you want to go outside? Yeah? Yes, you want to go outside? Oh yeah, do you want to go outside? Do you want to go outside? Do you want to go outside, Serenity? Do you want to go outside? Yeah? Do you want to? Is that your butt? Is that your butt? Where are you going, Serenity? Do you want to go outside? Come here, your shirt's falling off, Serenity. You want to go outside? You ready? Come on. I thought you wanted to go outside, Serenity. Come on. You ready? Are you ready to go outside? Yeah, are you ready to go outside? Are you ready to go outside, Serenity? Yeah, are you ready to go outside? Yeah, let's go outside. Let's go outside. Come on, let's get the door open. Okay, come up here. Come on. Here you go. So, go. Go outside, Stratty. Stratty. You always have to go through this. Gotta find the perfect spot. Then she'll go. Go outside, Stratty. Good job. Here at Decker's Auto, I went and got a converter put in, and they didn't tell me the right things to do, and they just did a patch job. Caught my wires on fire. I saw smoke. I popped the hood, grabbed the fire extinguisher, ran out, and turned my ignition on, my keys off, and then the wires are burnt. Bad. And now they're saying they didn't do it. Now magically they told me not to drive with it on, even though that's why I went there, was so my battery will charge while I'm driving, right? Well, that's not true. And so I'm going to see how much this is going to cost to even start it. I'm at week 2. It's fun already. But I've seen some beautiful things, and I'm absolutely in love with this. So I decided to start my own channel. I'm very new. I'm very shy. So give me a little while to warm up, and my hair's a mess. You want to see the RV? Here. I got a 1979 Dodge Delta Sportsman. It's really cute too. It's in good condition. Was. But it's got leather all in here, all in there, and then it's got the old front door. I'm still not done unpacking yet, but it's got some really awesome lighting here. That's all custom lighting. I love it. Here, I'll show you around. It's got the woodwork, and I love it. All of this, all that's custom. It's got a clock that doesn't work, but it's got this leather. The theme of it is this plushy leather all throughout it, and I love that. Got the pull-out couch and the chairs that swivel. Got a TV shelf I don't use yet. I got the gaming cabinet. It's got poker, cards, my fan. If I ever get to use that, I gotta get solar first, though. Let's see. I've got... I was stranded by bears 3-4 days, waiting on a tow truck and my roadside assistance to pull up. I'm trying to recycle. These are all my plastic bottles. 1 week. Okay. Tomorrow I'm getting it all cleaned out. I need to do that anyway before the shop sees it. It's got this beautiful wood. I love it. That's my top. The guy that I bought it from, he had these stickers everywhere. I'm still picking them off. They're not bad. They're actually kind of cool. Some of them are. Some of them are really cool. It's just, it's too much. It's too much for some of them. And I've got a microwave in mine. I don't know if it works. I haven't used that yet. But I've got the microwave, the stove, and the oven. And the oven's cool. And it's all propane so far. I've been cleaning a lot. I'm still not done. But I got a lot of stuff out. But for overall, it's pretty clean anyway. That leather that I was talking about that's all throughout my entire fridge is that stuff. I love it. But that's my fridge. And I've already broken a clip here. It's this clip right here. Like when I'm traveling, it does like that to lock, so you can't open it. Then you undo it, and then you move this latch off the refrigerator, not the freezer anymore. Don't have to there. And then I got the food. It's that ugly 70s color, but I got food a little bit. I'm not really worried about this stuff yet because I'm trying to get the hang of everything. When I bought the RV, they told me that their fridge didn't even work. It works. You just didn't know how to do it. I love this part. I accidentally found this one. Look, watch this. Take this and latch this. You open this. And I have a wine cabinet at the bottom. I love it. You'll see. I love my wine. I've got that. I got popsicles and all this stuff, but I got a little pull-out cupboard here. And I always forget to lock this until I'm gonna block down the road and it falls out. But lock it back. Okay. After the fridge, we've got a cabinet. Which so far, all I have done is put my suitcase in, and I've got Serenity's dog food in there. I got a pillow that I didn't like really that much because it's this texture. Listen, I don't like it. It's like, feels like plastic. Yeah, I had to get a new AT&T phone because my phone, the service was awful. I've traveled hundreds of miles so far with no GPS, and I learned real quick to get an Atlas, and I got another phone. And that helped me a lot too. I don't know if I'd have got out of the bear situation by myself, because I had to call for hours to find mechanics and call my roadside for days, and it was just awful. P.S. I don't like Good Sam's. Oops. Don't need to see in there. Then we've got 2 drawers here. It's really cool. The same theme, the rustic wood. I love it. I love it. I love it. And this is the bathroom. Here, let me turn the light off so you can see. We've got a cabinet here. There's the toilet. And then this comes open. This is where I'm going to put on my clothes. Where the suitcase, and it has a rod too for clothes, but I didn't like that as much because here all my clothes fit. Good job. Good job. Bye, guys.